I've never been more optimistic about the future of Queensland. I really haven't. And it's not just 2032 and the opportunity for the eyes of the world on us. It's just that sense at the moment that things are really happening in the state.
Today we had a great opening of our traction factory in Maryborough. We have a privilege to have David Crassofoli, the Premier of the Queensland, the customer, the partners and the local community to celebrate this event with us.
For the community, this means employment opportunities. It also means supply chain opportunities for businesses who operate in the Fraser Coast region.
We are manufacturing the traction converter and traction motors here in this factory in Maryborough. And by 2030, we will be manufacturing 250 converters and more than 1,000 traction motors here in Maryborough. The Queensland Train Manufacturing Program is historic for Queensland. The 65 six-car trains that will be in operation before the Olympic 2032 is fantastic.
I strongly believe that the future here is very strong. As we establish this facility, we'll grow our expertise, we'll grow the local skill set.
We do see a long-term future for making things in this state. We do intend to give you that pipeline you need to be able to pin your ears back and invest, because I can assure you there's some really big things happening in this state, and part of that big journey is being able to make things and be damn proud of making things in this state.